There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube. I thought I'd ask my viewers a question, so I made a video of it. Anybody know anything about railway track? Because this railway track is 1.5 inches. It's 3 inches high, and the base is 3 inches wide. I don't know if this is for a full-size train. It's got a little cut here, and it's got a little like drill hole here, but I mean, I know people say make anvils out of little railway tracks and shit, but this is pretty cool. I mean, I wish that hole was in there. It'd be cool. I wish I had a bigger piece. I don't know how to do with it. It's not an I-beam. It's got to be a railway track. I mean, a little piece. I don't know, maybe it's for one of those model railroads. Obviously there's no writing on it. I mean, it's just a freaking piece of metal. It's been painted gray. It's got rust on it. There's no markings on it whatsoever. There's no made in Taiwan sign either. It wasn't welded down the middle, apparently. It's a cast. I thought it was cool though. I just thought I'd show you a neat little piece of railroad track someone gave me. Just something to show you. I mean, everybody's worried about content and all kinds of YouTube things, but you know what? This is just me doing my shit. So I thought it was cool. I have no idea what the hell they use it for. Maybe I'll screw it to the wall like this and use it as a trough or something. But I'll cut it in little slices and sell slivers of a railway track on eBay. Maybe somebody will buy it for an art piece. I don't know. Just kidding. Anyway, just thought I'd show you this little railway track, little piece. It's only about, actually, how long is it? It's 3 by 3 by 3 by 6 inches long. Little piece. So if you know anything about railroads or railway track, please let me know. I'd like to know what kind it is. And the video will probably be up in another month or two. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. There's a little button here to turn this off.